Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I request all of you to stand up in honor of the most respected person whose voice we are going to hear. Let's hear the audio clip.
तो आगामी वर्ष आते हैं, इसमें तो जो मैं आपको कहता हूँ ऐसे ही आप सब बने और हिंदुस्तान भर में दोनों हिस्से में हम सुख शांति से रहें और हमको ईश्वर आबाद करे कि जिससे हम सारा दुनिया की पीछे सेवा कर सके और सारा दुनिया के सामने सीना खोलकर रह सके खड़े होकर कि हम यहाँ हुए हैं, हमको आज़ादी मिली है तो वो आज़ादी हमारी तो हम बराबर रखेंगे, लेकिन वो आज़ादी इस तरह से इस्तेमाल करेंगे कि सारी दुनिया का भलाई हो और सारी दुनिया की हम सेवा कर सके। आज नहीं कर सकते। जो आदमी अपनी सेवा करने के नालायक बन जाता है, भाई भाई में लड़ता है, वो दूसरी दुनिया की क्या सेवा करने वाला है। इसलिए आप सारा वर्ष भर मैं कहता हूँ वो प्रार्थना करें।
By this time, you all must have recognized this very familiar voice, who is none other than the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This is the only exclusive voice of Mahatma Gandhi ever heard on radio, after which he told, "Radio is the Shakti, the power of God," which is why we three stations, Radio Chocolate 104 FM, 92.7 Big FM, and 93.5 Red FM, together being the Shakti, the power of God, are driving this mission called Radio Shakti. Now, what we are going to see on stage is the glimpse of what Radio Shakti is. And for this, I request Mr. Hari Patnaik, Black Belt 6 Den, and his team to demonstrate this, please. And request all of you to sit and enjoy this demonstration. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I'm Smita. It is jaa apan mane dekhutile gote jio ko duita pu attack karutile. And after this Delhi case, everybody is aware. Everybody is talking. Ye karne se hota, wo karne se hota. Pata nahi, so many things. But actually, Radio Shakti is coming with the positive power. Let me tell this. And we three stations are very, very, very much there with this and supporting this. So I want to thank AROI, AIKF, who is actually supporting this cause. And now, to give a big kickstart to actually what is Radio Shakti and what we are going to do here, Team Radio Chocolate has prepared something very, very beautiful for this lovely audience. So I would like to request Team Chocolate to present this beautiful performance on the stage. And the singer is Swati, and this song is composed by Somitri. Please. Thank you, RJ Swati. Thank you, RJ Goody. So, if you like it, please give a round of applause. We have made it in one day. And with this, now the time has come to complete the mission, to touch the mission, why we all are here. And for this, I would like to request some dignitaries to come on stage. And first of all, I would like to request Mr. Uday Chawla, Secretary General, AROI, to please come on stage. I would like to request Mr. Hari Patnaik, Black Belt, 6th Den Vice President, AIKF, to please come onto the stage. I would like to request Mr. Prashant Pandey, CEO, Radio Mirchi, to be pleased with us on the stage. I would like to request Madam Nisha Narayanan, Senior Vice President, Programming and Projects, Red FM. I would like to request Madam Tanaya Patnaik, Director, Radio Chocolate 104 FM, to be with us here on stage. I would like to request Madam Monica Nar Patnaik, Vice President, AROI, to be here with us on the stage. And now, the big Bollywood superstar and everybody is fan of his profession and also his personal figure, and he is none other than the Bollywood superstar, Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Siddhant Mahapatra. A big round of applause, please. So, as we all are here on this stage, first of all, I would like to request Madam Monica Nar Patnaik to speak 2 lines for Radio Shakti.
I think we all are here and we all are representing Association of Radio Operators of India. And the launch of Radio Shakti for all India happened to be in Bhubaneswar, so a big applause to Orissa. Radio Shakti is just a small program where all FM stations are promoting the cause of safety for women. In association with the Karate Association of India, over here in Bhubaneswar, we are organizing an 8-day course free of cost to any woman who wants to participate for the safety and for the safety course. So it's an 8-day program which will be announced shortly on all FM stations. Big FM here. Big FM, there is no representative because he left for a flight. Red FM and Radio Chocolate. So you'll soon hear the promotion in all our radio channels, and all the girls here and all the women, I request you to join the Radio Shakti program for an 8-day free course on safety for women. Thank you very much, and I welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request Siddhant sir to speak 2 lines.
So should I say that only? Okay. So first of all, I'd like to thank Eastern Media, then Radio Chocolate, and I wish all the best to Radio Shakti, and congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, here is the time when we are going to launch Radio Shakti, and it's a big time. So I want a series of claps for this launching, and now I request our honorable guest, Mr. Siddhant Mahapatra, to do this launching. Please, sir, and Madam Nisha Narayanan and Prashant Pandey, sir, all the dignitaries on stage. So, please, can we start with a round of applause, please? Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. So, this is Radio Shakti, and this is Radio, the power of God. With this, we conclude this event. Thank you, one and all, and God bless.